guys, today I will show you my second 3D pen. I have also that one, first generation, and you will learn why I need the second generation 3D pen. Everybody asking me about the 3D pens, which one is suitable for beginners. You will learn about it. Let me show you the unboxing. 3D pens, another name is 3D printing pen because they are running as 3D printers. Let me show you what's inside. One manual and filaments and USB cable, pen holder, and it's 3D pen. 3D pens use same materials with the 3D printers. They use ABS and PLA. ABS and PLA are kinds of filaments. Melting temperature are almost same. PLA is more eco-friendly filament. As always, nozzle diameter 1.75 mm. This printing pen suitable for ABS and PLA. Heating range within the range of 190 to 120 degrees. Some of the 3D pens working on low temperature. You cannot use the standard filaments on the low temperature 3D pens. 1.75 filaments also suitable for 3D printers. As I said before, this 3D pen is suitable for ABS and PLA degrees. Let's set it up. Power connector and filament inlet and modern heating key, modern cooling key, shutdown and return button, speed switch, start and discharge button. I have power bank, is on now, and I connect the cable to my 3D pen. Press start button and you need to wait. When it's ready, you will see the green light here. Now it's ready. You can see the green light here. Put your filament and start button again. Pick it up it. And it's ready. I'll give you some tips for beginners. Don't touch the nozzle, it's very hot, and use the low speed. And you can buy silicone finger guard like that for heating. For easy to make something, you can buy the mat. Let's make something. This is my first pen, first 3D pen. It's working with DC. Why I bought this one? Because it's working with power bank. I can create something at outdoor with that, and this unfortunately indoor. 3D pens suitable for creating something easily, and you can repair something with 3D pen. Thank you for watching me. If you need them, you can check my video description.